Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how to use Instagram filters. So if you don't know how to use the Instagram filter, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram and log into your account. Once you will do it, here you will see your story option on the left top. So click on it. Once you will click on it, you will see different filters are appear here that is trending right now. So once you will select any filter from here, also you will see this type of the icon. So you have to click on it, and once you will click on it, scroll up and here you will see browse effect gallery. So you have to click on it and here you will see all the trending filters on the Instagram. So from here you can also search for your demanding filter. You can, if you know any filter name, you can simply search from here. So once you will search for it, for any filters, you have to tap on it, on that, and you will see try it option to create a video with it, or you can save it for the future use. You can also share it with your friends. So this is the procedure to use Instagram filters. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.